What's going on, y'all? Welcome back. I told you I was gonna come back again this week. I got two videos for y'all. I got a gym video up, and then I'm about to go change the oil on the V. So we're on the way to AutoZone because I thought I had everything. I can't find a 32mm socket. Bless, appreciate Jaylene. Let me take the little Hot Wheels car out. Girthy 32, a 32? That's fat, bro. Where the fuck? Well, maybe I should look up there. Okay, but I did find a deep one. So hopefully, maybe this will help because it is kind of in a fugly place down there. Bam! All right, so we got our stuff here. Cars up on the stands. Shout out Kyle for fucking putting me on with those every time, because if I don't have this, it's not getting done. Not gonna lie, when I was pulling it up, I thought it was gonna scratch. It was hanging up on the lip right there and it pushed up. I was freaking out, but it hangs up nice. Look, I got a lift on that motherfucker. You can see I got the funnel jacked up in there, so it's not getting dirty or nothing. We got our pan that's gonna go under here. Our socket extension just in case with a 32mm and then a 17mm. This is gonna be for your drain plug. This is gonna be for your filter. We got our actual filter right here, STP 10,000 milas, you know what I'm saying? But you better calm down. She be getting all jumpy. Go ahead and put this right here. Anyway, then I went ahead and got 7 quarts. It say 6.9 Germans. That means I'm putting 7. You know, I'm American. So went ahead and got the Mobile One OW40. And let's go ahead and get active. First thing you want to do is go ahead and open her up. Pop the top. And we lift her up. Ooh. Ooh. What did I say? Ooh. Okay, let's go ahead and get the cover off. Do this one hand. It's supposed to, it just pops. There are tabs, you know. Shit, I hope so. There we go. Yeah, of course. You know what I'm doing. El Capitan fiber. What I'm gonna do is take this off so we can just release some of the pressure there. I've been letting her sit for a solid hour, so it shouldn't be too hot. This is really just gonna release some pressure so when we drain it down at the bottom, it just sink out. Just so you can go ahead and see what we gotta deal with. This is the oil filter right here. Let's see if I can focus in. See, it's in a pretty fugly spot. So we'll probably just, you know, figure it out. Oh, my favorite part, rolling under the car. Now, not gonna lie, don't know where this shit is. Well, I'm also just kind of taking a peek and enjoying the view down here, you know. Okay, dead ass though. That's not it. I think I found it. Okay, all right. So it only took me 5 fucking minutes, but I figured out how to get this thing off. I think I just twisted it. That's gotta be it, right? Looks like a plug, pretty big. Here's our 17, just to check. Oh yeah, it fits. What is it, righty, tighty, lefty, loosey, something like that? Not let this bolt fall in here. Fuck, okay. Am I going the right way? Oh shit, all right, well, now we see how this is going already. Okay, all right. Shit was tight. Oh, I got a little wet. So we're winning. Dripping. And clean out the boat, clean up my hands. And we're gonna let this kind of fill up. That shit is, first of all, it is filling up fast. Well, on to the next part. All right, mate, now we've got a leaking down there. We can get up to the top. We got to get down there with the air filter. We got our Squidward. Should be able to get up in there. I don't even think I can prop y'all up with this one. Just go ahead and give me a second. Okay, not gonna lie. With the Squidward nose, that was actually super easy. It was just in there pretty tight. So let me go ahead and pull it. Oh shit! No what no. I untwisted a little bit and I heard some more oil come out. If you listen, you can hear the last little bit dripping out. Put this towel here. Yes! Wow. One-handed? I'm so nice. All right. Don't mind how I'm sitting. I'm just trying to block the sun. How do you get this out of here? Grab. Oh no. She's squirting on me. Off here because there's a little plastic O-ring that you need like a pick tool for real to get off. So let me go grab one of those. Close up. It's just a little ring right here. Get up in there like that, and you just kind of pop that thing off. Oh no! You got your little wet there. And now you can open up your new filter and see all the stuff that you got. It should come with like 3 things, I think. Let's get on this way, right? Oh, you pop it on just like that. This side, see? Because it does come with like 2 other things. Should come with a ring. Why is it red? Just pop it. Oh, you stop. And yeah, I do kind of like it. It's red. Different. Lube that up. Start it. So let's go ahead and put it back in. Okay, so I just hand screwed it back in. So now I'm gonna go in here and get in there with the Squidward nose. Okay, it's back in there. The 32 though, I guess because of the shape. Let me see if it'll zoom in, like focusing for your eye, because it kind of tore off. See, oof, rough. It's not the best, but it's all right. I pulled a little bedpan out. This how I've been getting in here. If you can see, it's actually still kind of dripping oil. Of course, it's still gonna drip, because you know that thing, it take a while to actually fully drip out. So we're gonna hand tighten this. Come on, Trip. I am tripping. Nice and tight, not going nowhere. Wonderful. I'm assuming we go here. Twist. Oh yeah. All right, now you go ahead and get your OW40 and put in your 7 quarts. Once you're done with that, I like to get every little drip of oil. You're gonna get your oil, and sometimes if you have the tank, it's way easier. If not, get you a funnel, get you the same bottles of oil you have, fill it up. You can take it to AutoZone, they'll take it, the bottles and everything for free, so you don't gotta worry about it, so if you don't have nowhere to dump it. Once she's done, here we'll put the cap on, put the cover on, we'll take her off, and then I'll show you guys how to reset the intervals on the inside gauges for the T. Make sure when you put your gas cap on, you put it in the right way, turn it and hear the click. If not, oil will be jumping out everywhere, you'll mess up your stuff. Engine cover, literally you just place over the circle here, pop in tabs, and it's done. And on these cars, you don't have a dipstick, so in order to check your oil, you do have to drive around for a little bit and then measure the oil. Okay, car's off the blocks. It's hot, so let's do this quick. Come in here, nice, pretty. 1, 2, 3. Ka-chow. Hold BC in. Hold in BC, engine reset possible, hold down. I think it's like 7 seconds. You'll see it say reset, question mark. Reset, you let go, and then hold it again. Hold it down, reset in progress, let go. Good job. Go home, go here. We have nothing now, that's awesome. Go to car, vehicle status, engine oil level. Engine oil is okay. So we're gonna run it around for a second and then touch the oil. Right, roll it around a little bit and then you get stationary. You gotta make sure you're on level ground. The car will tell you if you're not on level ground. And then yeah, here we are, you hit measure, now we're measuring. And bam, engine level okay. It's right there at the max where it needs to be, all green, we're good. There you go. I mean, I cooked. I haven't, you know what I mean? Easy money, easy cake. This works for pretty much all your vehicles as far as like resetting your intervals. BMW wise, it's gonna be a BC button, or if you're in like F chassis, it's gonna be the little button right by your speedometer stuff at the bottom left. You just hold it, same thing pops up. And same thing for vehicles and shit too. Like if you got a motorcycle or whatever, you drain the oil, change the filter, plug it back up, fill it back up. Not too bad, not too shabby, not too hard. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Try to make it quick and simple and easy for y'all. If you fuck with it, cool. We're gonna have some more stuff coming. I got a lip coming. After that, I want to do DRLs, some yellow DRLs. And then, you know, I want cold air. I need a wing, downpipe, the whole nasty 5. It's got to get right. So I got to make up for already not having resonators. like I said, if y'all enjoy the video, like, comment, share, subscribe, send this out, help me out. Check out the shorts, the TikToks, the lives, all that shit is helping and pushing. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna bring y'all along with the build and bring y'all some more car shows. Hopefully we got some more fun with the guys coming out soon, some good car content on the way, because we got a lot of people that we gotta get active with. So hit me up, be safe, and I'm gonna see y'all soon. Bye.